3 clues today. Summertime Friday told me you're not going to get away with the middles. You're not going to get away with buying the highs. You're not going to get away with selling those lows. We've got to be careful. This inside day tells me buy those lows, sell those highs, right? Trade inside the range. And of course, the wedge just adds one more nail to the coffin, because now the wedge reminds me the personalities are almost the exact same. Buy the lows of the wedge, sell the highs of the wedge, right? We're getting narrower as we go. So we got our 3 clues. Now, what do you think we're going to do today? Well, again, if price falls inside day, I'm going to buy the lows. If price rises, I'm going to sell the highs. Now, we were fortunate because this morning at 10 o'clock this morning, we had what? We had our friend, the Bernac. He was talking from Wyoming, right? The Jackson Hole Summit, addressing all the central bankers. Well, of course, we knew we had to worry about that, because when Bernanke starts speaking, who knows? This thing may tumble, this thing may go higher. We come down, we're going to slop around here through 8:30 news. GDP came in, what, 1.0. They were expecting 1.1, pretty much as expected. We then have to wait through 8:35, and by 8:40, we make a new lower low. Now look, we were so close to that low already, so we knew that if price was going to go through it, we'd then look to wait for it to fail and then buy the lows again, right? Buy it as it comes back up. Didn't even need to here. It pretty much parked itself right on those lows and then turned around, right, and came right back up. I was waiting to buy here 850, and we took 38 ticks out of it. Now, as you can see, there's no pattern here, right? There's no pattern right there. So how did I get into that trade? Well, follow me down here, lower left-hand corner. This is a 4 range chart. I'm going to use this to get into a trade, and you can see how price comes down, swing high, swing high, swing high, and then when it broke, it was, like I said, almost too easy. I gave you guys the exact entry there above 73, and of course we knew we were off to the races the upside. Buying the major support down there, again, using a 4 range chart to enter on a 13 range chart when it hit my major support. Now, we knew at this point we were at the lows of the range, right? Remember, the previous low of day is down here, right? Inside day is holding right now. So remember, we're thinking now this is going to go all the way back up